Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Akkerds iPad Air 11-inch case, the best case for the 4th gen iPad Air. If you own an iPad Air 5th or 4th generation, you know how important it is to have a reliable, stylish, and protective case for your device. Well, the Akkerds case checks all those boxes and more. This case is designed specifically for the iPad Air 11-inch 7th and 6th generations, and the iPad Air 5th and 4th generations, with a 10.9-inch screen. It's available in a sleek sky blue color, and it combines style and functionality perfectly. The exterior is made of high-quality PU leather, providing a soft and silky touch that feels great in your hands. Meanwhile, the interior features a durable TPU material that offers robust protection for your tablet's back and corners, ensuring your iPad Air stays safe from drops and scratches. One of the standout features of this case is the built-in pencil holder. If you're someone who uses the Apple Pencil, you'll appreciate this handy addition. The pencil holder allows you to store your Apple Pencil safely when you're not using it, and it even lets you charge your pencil while it's securely stored. This means you won't have to worry about losing or damaging your pencil when you're on the go. Another excellent feature of the Akkerds iPad case is the auto sleep wake function. Thanks to the built-in magnetic strip, your iPad will automatically wake up when you open the case and go to sleep when you close it. This small yet powerful feature helps extend your tablet's battery life, saving you the hassle of manually turning it on and off. When it comes to functionality, the Akkerds case doesn't disappoint. The tri-fold stand design allows you to adjust the case into two convenient viewing angles, perfect for watching movies, browsing, or even typing. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or working on the go, you'll appreciate the stability and comfort this case offers in different positions. It's clear that the Akkerds case is not only protective but also thoughtfully designed to enhance your iPad Air experience. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it the perfect companion for your iPad. If you're in search of a case that balances style, protection, and functionality, the Akkerds iPad Air case should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech product reviews.